Today in this new free course, I will show you how to build your online business, how to make money online from Google, but without publishing or creating or writing any content. I will show you everything step by step. I will show you my earnings from the last month. You will see everything in detail. It's a full free course. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from heducate, and today I'm really so excited to publish this new free course. Before we start, just two simple points. Number one, please, before you implement anything, before you go and start copying or implementing this course, please watch it at least one time to understand the full idea, to get all the tips, the tricks, everything. Then you can go and start implementing it. And the second point is simply, please, if you like to watch more videos, more free courses about online business, making money online, digital marketing, and much more, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel, turn on notifications, and please, if you like the video, just hit that like button to help me and support my channel. So let's stop wasting time and go directly and start our work and start our free course. So what we are going to do in this course? What is the idea behind this course? Usually when you want to make money from Google, simply we go and create a blog or a small website like this one, like Computech. By the way, this is my website. I published it like 3 or 4 years ago and I use it now for testing and so on. So you can see it's like a blog where you post some articles and so on, and you add advertisements from Google, which is Google Adsense. And you will earn when someone clicks on the ad, or you will earn per impressions, like per 1,000 impressions, okay? This is the idea simply. So you are earning or you are making money from ads on your blog. Also, we have like heducate forums, and you can see I have also some ads on my forum. But you know, this course is not about creating a blog and creating a content. So how we can advertise a website without publishing content, without writing articles? Simply, super easy, is to create a tools website, a service website. As an example, if you go here to seoanalyzer.heducate.com, this is one of my tools, which is a free SEO analyzer website. You can see it. If you don't know about it, you can go and check it now, seo-analyzer.heducate.com. Here you can analyze any website to find any SEO problems totally for free. Anyway, if you go here and click on any link to analyze, let's say this one, each super tools, it will give you a detailed report. So it's a simple tool, an online tool, and you can see I am running here some ads. So this is an example of an online tool, okay? Another example is simply hsupertools.com, my free SEO and digital marketing tools website. This awesome platform that has a lot of free digital marketing tools, 100% free, and you can see I run ads on the website. If you click on any tool like this free keyword research tool, you will see I have here some ads. You see? So the idea behind this course is to create a website like this, a tool website. A website that doesn't have any content, but it's simply a tool anyone can use for his own business or to grow or whatever. Okay? Now I know the main question now is how we will create such websites. We are not developers. We are not programmers. We don't want to hire programmers. We can't pay for programmers and so on. You don't need to develop. You don't need to write any code. You just need to publish this script like this one or many other scripts that I will show you now in this video. So these websites doesn't require any content. You just publish and you just need to focus on driving traffic. And this is what I will explain also in detail, how to get traffic to your website. While if you are creating a blog, you will need to focus on two things: on creating new and unique content always and getting traffic. While in such websites, you just need to get traffic. I think the idea is somehow simple. So in this course, we are going to go step by step and show you how to publish and set up a tool like this one, how to host it, how to set up everything, and then how to get the traffic. And I will show you my earnings from my dashboards, and I will tell you how much you need visitors and traffic to make like $1,000 per month. So this is the idea. Let's start together in step number one and talk about getting a script, getting this application, getting these websites, and hosting and publishing online. Okay, so the first step is to choose an application, a script like this one or whatever. I will show you now different examples, and to get the script and then host it online. Don't worry about the terms now, I will explain everything in detail. So what you are going to do is simply go to a website called codecanyon.net. Okay, then click on PHP scripts. That's simple. Now as an example, I will search for SEO. Okay, now you'll find this application, SEO Studio. You can see here SEO Monster, SEO Stats. If you go here down, you will see A to Z SEO Tools, Turbo Website Reviewer. And by the way, this is script, Turbo Website Reviewer, is this script, is this one. I just bought it and published it, and I have now my own tool online. You see here we have a lot of tools, really a lot of tools. Also as an example, you can say downloader as another example, downloader, and you'll see now like, let's say all-in-one video downloader script, TikTok video downloader, convert to video. We have a lot of applications, maybe like 100, 200, a lot of scripts that you can find on this website. And you can see the prices is not that much. You can build a business with like $40 or $50 maximum. And by the way, I remembered, if you go here now to my website, heducate.com, I just remembered that we have a running giveaway that you might like to join. If you go here to my website, click on giveaways, you will see I'm running 3 giveaways, and one of them is $50 cash PayPal for 10 winners. So it's $500 giveaway. You can still join, we have 12 days left. Anyway, let's go back. So you can see we have a lot of scripts. As an example, this one, you can click on live preview and see the application before you buy it. Open live demo as an example, and this is a full application. Go to tools, a list of SEO tools, and so on. You can get it for your own business or to host it for other people. If you go here to A to Z SEO tools, click on live preview, you will see now a full website of tools, SEO tools, you can see. And here is the advertising areas where you can publish ads. Here's a Turbo Website Reviewer. If you open it, you will see something similar to my website. You can see this is the website and this is my tool. You see, I just bought it and published it online, and now I can make money from this script. You can see this one, all-in-one video download script. We have a lot of applications that are ready just to get and publish. Here is a YouTube video downloader or video downloader for Facebook, Twitter, Dailymotion. You can add your ads here, whatever. So we have a lot of applications. TikTok video downloader. We have video converters that has the ability to add advertisings on, and so on. So we have a lot of scripts. In our video, in our course, I will be using this script, A to Z SEO tools. So I will buy the script now. Together I will buy it, and I will show you how to host it and set up everything, how to set up Adsense, how to set up ads, how to publish also affiliate offers inside the script. I will show you everything in detail and how you can reach $1,000 per month running this online business. Okay, so let's close everything now. I will keep this tool open. As I told you, go to this website. I will keep all the links, by the way, in the description below, and I will keep a list of examples. You can just go and check if you want. All the links, everything in the description below. So here we are. For my course now, I chose this script, which is a set of SEO tools I can host online. So anyone interested in SEO tools, he can use my website for free and I can make money with ads. That's simple. And with affiliate marketing, as we will see later in the course. So please stay tuned. So I picked up this script. Okay, let's go and buy it. I will click on buy now. It costs $42 for me. As I told you, you can pick any script. You are not obliged to use this one. Go and check whatever you want. Buy a script maybe that helps your business and you can use it at the same time for others. Anyway, let's pay for this one. Okay, pay now. Very nice. Let's wait a little bit. Very nice. So now you can see I bought this script. If I go now here to my downloads, you see this is my script here. I bought it. I will click on download all files and documentation, everything. Let's wait a little bit. It's like 60 megabytes. I will wait like for 1 minute, I think. Okay, very nice. Download completed. I will click on show all, get the file. It's a zipped file. I will copy it and I will go to my desktop and paste the file here. It's a simple zipped file. Just right click and extract the zipped file. And the website, the application is inside this zipped file. Okay, you can see here's the folder and this is the upload folder and this is the script. These are the files that you are going to publish online. Now, before we move on, I want to talk about some technical stuff in like 1 or 2 minutes, just for beginners to understand the topic, to understand the idea before we move on. You can see a website is a set of files. Like this one, it's a PHP script or PHP website. So simply, it's a set of files and folders where you need to publish online. What do we mean by publish online? Simply, we need to copy these folders and files to a server that is running publicly on the internet so we can access it online. This is called web hosting, which is publishing or copying the website files like these files into an online server. Okay, so now in this course, we are going to get a server. It's called a VPS server. We are going to get the server and I will show you how it's simple to host and publish a script like this, like in 2 or 3 minutes. We are going to publish this script on the server and we will run it and see how things will be really super simple. So now we have the files. The second step is to host this script, to host these files. So as I told you, we need to get a server. And in my opinion, the best way or the best service is Contabo. So go to contabo.com. I will leave all the links, by the way, in the description. So don't worry about the links. And simply click here on VPS and you will see now that Contabo offers you a server with 2 cores with 4 gigabytes of RAM for only €4, so like $5.5. I think it's the cheapest service on the internet, provides such specs with this price. Okay, so you can go and compare with others if you want. If you are familiar or comfortable with other services, it's up to you. You don't need to use Contabo, but I prefer it because it's somehow cheap for beginners and you can start with a good VPS server for high performance. So if you click here, customize and order, we can order the server. Now, please focus well. I will select here Ubuntu 20 and then go down and please check on LAMP. Simply LAMP is a set of applications. It's MySQL, it is Apache, PHP. These set of applications will be installed automatically on your server. So it will help you a lot and save you a lot of time. So check Ubuntu 20, LAMP, and then go down and simply click order now. That's simple. Now in my case, I am an existing customer in Contabo. I have multiple servers and multiple websites. I am a customer in Contabo. If you are new, you need to sign up as a new customer. Now I am an existing customer. I will select here, check to get from my own budget and accept the terms and click review and submit order. That's simple. Then order, place a binding order, that's it. Now it will tell you go to your email and check your inbox to verify and confirm the order. So I will open my Gmail account, and as you will see now, let's open it. You will see welcome to Contabo, and it will tell you to press on this link to confirm the order. That's simple. Click on this link, and now Contabo team will set up the server for you. And later on, like in 1 hour or maybe 2 hours or whatever, you will get the login data. You will have your server and they will send you the IP address of the server and the root username and the password and so on. So now we bought a server from Contabo. We have a server. Now we need to connect to the server and simply host and publish this website on the server. That's simple. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to create a new notepad file just to make things simple. I will open, I will say server IP. Let's increase the font size. Server IP. I will copy it from my Gmail account. This is the IP. Paste here, and the root password. Root password is this password. Okay. So now I have my server with the root password. I can connect to host my website. So what I'm going to do now simply is copying this IP, copy it, and open an application called WinSCP. Okay, WinSCP is a free application, a free remote management application, file management application. If you go here to WinSCP just on Google and open this website, you can download totally for free. Just click on download and install, and you will have this application, this simple application. Okay, so let's minimize everything and continue our work. I will paste the IP of the server here, say root, and then I will copy this password and paste on my server or here in WinSCP and click on login. And now we will connect to our server to manage the files so we can upload the files. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Now I will go up here, and please focus here well. Go to the var directory, var directory, open it, then www, then HTML, then simply delete all these files from here. We don't need anything, and we need to upload this file, this upload file to our server. So I will zip it. Please follow up. I will zip this file, zip it with any application, okay, to make things easier and faster when we upload to the server, and simply drag and drop here, and the application will be uploaded. Super simple. Just upload the files to the server. Now we will extract them and run the setup. Just wait a little bit. I think the idea is somehow simple and anyone can do it. And by the way, if you go to your browser and go to blog.heducate.com, open my blog, I created a full tutorial, step-by-step tutorial guide, how to host a PHP script. So if you want to go and start copying and pasting, you can go here to my next page, I think, page number 2. And you can see here how to publish a PHP website, install Code Canyon scripts. If you open this, and we are going to use this guide, by the way, in this video, in this course, you will see a step-by-step guide in detail on how to install any script, any PHP script on your VPS server. You can go here and you can also follow up step by step. Okay, so let's continue our work. Our file now is on the server. Now, if you right click here and go to file custom commands, you can see something called tar or gzip to unzip the file, but we are not going to use this. Why? Simply because sometimes it shows some errors and problems, and sometimes it simply takes a lot of time. So what I'm going to do to make things a lot easier is I'm going to use an application called Putty, P-U-T-T-Y, Putty. It's also a free application. You can see Putty configuration. This application allows you to connect your server through command line and unzip the files and manage your server. Don't worry, we don't have a lot of commands and everything is mentioned, by the way, here. You just copy and paste. So don't worry about anything. And it's good to learn some new stuff about hosting, some new skills that will help you in your business. So again, I will copy this IP here and paste inside this box here and click on open. That's simple. Click yes. And now log in as root, and let's copy this password and paste it here. Okay, how to paste it? Just press or click on the right click button on your mouse and it will be pasted. Now I pasted it, but it's not shown for security reasons, so don't worry, it's somewhere there, but for security reasons Putty doesn't show the password. Click enter, and very nice, we are now inside the server. I will write clear to clear the screen so we can configure everything easily. So what I will do now simply is to navigate to this directory. So I will say cd or change directory. Please follow up and try to learn these new skills, so really it will help you in your own business online, in your work, whatever. So cd stands for change directory, and simply say var/www.html. Now I am inside this directory. I will say ls to list the content of this folder, and you will see this upload zipped file. You can see this one here, this file. It is here inside our folder. What I'm going to do now is to unzip the file. How to unzip it? Simply using a tool called unzip. But we need to install it first. I will say apt space install space unzip. That's it. You can see this is the command. Click enter. Just wait a little bit. Very nice. The tool is installed now. I will run clear again to clear the screen. Now we can unzip the file. How to unzip it? Simply say unzip and write upload.zip, the name of the file. That's simple. If you go here again to my guide here and go down after we get a VPS, just to show you that everything is in this guide. You connect here, and what is uploading? Here is the upload script. You can see install unzip, then simply unzip your file name. That's simple. So click enter. Let's wait a little bit for the folder to be unzipped. Very nice. Clear the screen again. Now if you go again to WinSCP, right click and refresh, you will see the upload folder now is unzipped. What I will do simply, just open the upload folder, just copy everything here, drag and drop in the upper directory. That's simple. And now the files are here. You can delete the upload.zip file, and you can delete this upload file or folder. Don't delete this uploads, it's related to the script. Download the upload, which is the main script zipped file. Okay, so now our script, our website, our application is on the server. Simply now we need to install it. By the way, one small note, every script you download from Code Canyon, if you open the folder, you will see a documentation. If you go to index here, open documentation, you will see a full step-by-step how to install the script. So if you are using any other script, you will have the documentation with you. And if you need help, you can go directly to heducate.com/forums, ask any question. I will be almost every day to answer your questions. So here we are. We uploaded the files on the server. Very nice. Now, before we go and run the setup and store the application, we need to get something called a domain name. If you go here again and open where we are, here, you can see I am using this subdomain or domain. You can see here I'm using this domain. You can see here I'm using this domain. So you need to get a name for your website. As an example here, hsupertools.com. You need to get a name, okay? We call this a domain name, a unique name for your website, for your application. So simply, I will go to a website called namecheap.com. I think it's one of the most popular domain providers like GoDaddy, Enom, or whatever. Namecheap is one of the top providers. And simply here go and click on domains, and we need to buy a domain. So you can see here, find your new domain name. I will search now for something related to SEO tools. As an example, I will say SEO tools, anything, click on search, and now it will give you some results and some available names to buy. So SEO tools, .tools costs $6 per year, which is nothing, by the way, $6 per year. If you go here to results, you will see SEO tools.xyz, SEO tools.me is $900, it's a premium. Just find a domain which is not a premium to buy. Let's find something else. Okay, so I find this one, SEO-toolset.com. You can see it, this one. I will take this one. It's somehow simple and to the point. I will add to cart. Very nice. View item. I have this one. It costs like $8 or $9. I will check out and I will buy this domain. So what we are going to do is search for a domain that you feel it's nice and fits your own script. Maybe you are uploading a video downloader, so search for something like video-downloader or whatever. It's up to you anyway. So that's it. Confirm order. It will tell you now to create an account. Let's create one. I will say heducate. So I will say pay now. I will wait a little bit. I got a message on my mobile. Okay. Next. Anyway, close this. So I simply purchased this domain. Now if I go back here and go to my dashboard inside Namecheap and simply here go to domain list, you will see that I have this domain, SEO-toolset.com is active, is for me. So now I can connect this domain to my server so I can run my application, my own website under this domain. I hope the idea is somehow simple. So now I am going to connect this domain with my server, with my VPS server. So let's connect the domain. Simply here click on manage and simply then click on advanced DNS. DNS means the domain name system, where you can configure the records. And simply here click on add a new record and click on a record, which is the main record for this system. In the host I will write at, which means the domain itself. Write at symbol, and here you need to enter the IP address of the server. I will get it from a notepad. Here is my server IP, copy it and paste it here. That's simple. Click on save. And now our domain is pointing to our server IP. My main domain is pointing to our server IP. You can see it. Here it is. Now I'm going to add the second record, which is simply a CNAME record. Let's go here, CNAME, and write www. So I'm going to point also the www version of the website to the same domain, to the same server. And simply here I will copy my domain and write it here and click on save. So now my domain is pointing to my server. Okay, so we connected my domain name to my server IP address so we can access our server through the domain name. I hope the idea is somehow simple. What we are going to do now is to verify if our DNS settings is correct. Simply open CMD on your PC or the command prompt and ping, go and write ping and copy and paste your domain here and click on enter, and now it will show you the IP of this domain. This IP is the IP of my server, so everything is perfect. Also you can try this method. If you go here to ping.eu, a website, an online tool, click on ping and enter here the domain name and solve the CAPTCHA NUAJ and click on go. And now you can see it's pointing to this IP. So everything is perfect. Now we have the VPS, the domain connected, verified, everything is perfect. Now we can set up the script or continue the setup on our server. I will keep now WinSCP and PuTTY open, maybe you are going to use them now, and I will go and open the script file, folders and code documentation and see what are the requirements for this application. Okay, click on requirements here, it will tell you we need to install the PDO and MySQL extension, the curl extension, we need to have this port open, GD extension, rewrite model, or whatever. Now anyway, we'll skip this and go to installation, and it will tell you need to upload the files, and here focus well, it will tell you to create a MySQL database. So some applications, some scripts like this one, like my script, like SEO Analyzer or maybe HSuperTools, this is my own website anyway, like this one or like the one we bought now, like A to Z Tools, SEO Tools, requires a database. So we need to create a database. Don't worry, it's somehow simple. I will go to my script guide here again, and you can see here the create MySQL database part. It's so simple. Go here and run this first command MySQL inside PuTTY just to log in. I will enter. Now you need to enter the root password of your machine. Just copy it and paste here, right click again. As I told you, it will not be shown. Just paste and enter. Now we are inside MySQL or MariaDB database system. That's simple. Now just copy this line. You can copy all this or simply this one also. The first couple of words, create database, test DB, and don't forget to add a semicolon at the end of this command. All the commands inside MySQL requires a semicolon at the end. So create database, test DB. I will rename it and call it DB to make things easier. Very nice. Now we have a database created. Now we will create a user to access this database. So copy this line. I will go to Notepad here. I will say here DB user, the username, and enter a password. I will use the same password here to make things easy. Copy this command, open PuTTY, paste it here, enter. We have a user. Super simple. Again, the next command, copy this, open Notepad. I will say here DB user, super easy here. It's called DB, the DB database. Copy this, open PuTTY, paste it, enter. Super simple. Now copy flush privileges and paste it here. Super simple. And now let's exit. We created the database. I think it's really easy. Just copy and paste, and you have database in your server. Now we are ready to open the application in our browser and continue the installation. Okay, if you open again the installation here after we create the database, it will tell you to visit the website to the browser to check if everything is okay. So I will go here, HTTP, and I will say SEO toolset.com index.php. Okay, enter. Let's wait a little bit. Very nice. We are in the setup of the application. You can see A to Z SEO tools. So now I am setting up the tool. This is the requirement page. It will tell you if there's any problem in the requirements. Now everything is perfect. If you faced any problem with a certain script, please contact me. Open the question on the forum. I will help you to install any PHP extension. Now here it will tell you we have some problems in the permissions. You need to set these files to make them rewritable or writable. So I will open WinSCP here and check this is the file in the core directory, in the config folder. We have this db.config. I will right click properties and set it to 0777. We have now permissions. The uploads folder here, right click properties, 0777. Okay. Again, in the core, in the temp folder, give it permissions. Okay. The snapshot cache directory in the core, helpers, site snapshot, properties, 0777. Okay. Let's now refresh the page. Very nice. All now are writable. Perfect. Everything is okay. Click on continue. Now it will tell you to connect the database with your application, with the script. Database is simply localhost. It is the same server. Database name is DB. You remember? We created this database called DB and the username is DB user. Let's copy it here. And the password is simply this password. Paste it here, website path. And here you need to enter the license code or the purchase code. Let's go back to Code Canyon to download the purchase code. Go here to downloads and then select this, click on text and open this file. You will see the purchase code. Very simple. Let's go again to my setup. Where is my setup? Where we are? Here we are. Paste the purchase code here and click on submit. Super simple. I installed it. Now we have the admin name. I will say admin, my username. I will say heducate and enter a password, whatever you want, and click on submit. Let's wait a little bit for the application to be installed. Very nice. Installation complete. Let's open the admin panel and this is the admin panel. I will log in to my admin dashboard. Remember me, whatever. Sign in. Login successful. And now I am in the back end, in the admin dashboard of this tool where I can manage everything from the admin side. Okay. Here we are. This is the script, the back end of the script. We can set up the tools, advertisements. We have a problem. I will fix this in a little bit. Don't worry. Manage site and everything else. Okay. So here how to install a script or almost any script from Code Canyon on your own server. To sum up, get a VPS, Contabo is one of the best, get a domain from Namecheap, connect both, upload the files, create database, run the setup, and here we are. Now we need to configure the application, okay? Now you know I am configuring this custom application. Maybe you are using something else. Everything will be in the documentations of the script. So it's up to you. What you chose, you can install it. And by the way, almost all these scripts has support. If you go here to Code Canyon, I remembered something. Whenever you search for any script, as an example, you search for SEO as an example here, go and check the ratings and check the reviews of this script. Go to reviews here and check if there is any problems with support or whatever. So always choose a good script, a good rating to don't have problems later on if you need support or anything. Anyway, so here we are, we installed the script. Now we are going to continue our configuration. Okay, let's open documentation again and see what do we need to do. Install, installation completed. After installation, put your site on maintenance mode. You can see step level 11. I will go now to maintenance mode here. Where is maintenance mode? Manage site, maintenance. We have a problem in the URLs. You can see here we are not navigating correctly through the application. So how to fix this problem? Simply, if you go back to my guide, you will see in step 7, configure Apache to publish the PHP website. It will tell you go to this directory inside WinSCP. So open WinSCP and let's go here, go back, and then go to etc folder, then go to Apache folder, Apache 2, then go to sites enabled directly and click on edit this file. And what you are going to do simply is go here and copy this. You can see here, copy this, copy it, and open again WinSCP and paste inside the file here. You can see it. Save. That's simple. Close this. And now open putty again and run this command. You will find it also here, by the way. If you go here, this is the command. Just run it. Then run this command to restart Apache. And then simply let's refresh. And now if we go here to manage site, maintenance, we are here. I will click enable maintenance mode, click on save. And now we did this step number 11. And it tells you can make basic changes, whatever. And the site will show as in maintenance mode. After everything is done, release the maintenance mode. So we will configure now the website, then release maintenance mode. Super simple. Now how the website looks. Can we access the website? Because we finished everything. Let's try this. I will open a new tab and go to my website, seo-toolset.com. Open and great. You can see this is the website and show this notification. It's currently set to be closed. Okay, let's go back to maintenance mode, turn it back on, save and refresh. And here we are. This is my website. This is my own SEO tools website for my own business, and I can run for other people and make money from ads. You can see this banner here, banner here. We have a lot of tools to use. Okay, again, I want to remind you, here this is an example in my course. You can use this script or whatever script from Code Canyon. Or if you are a developer, you can develop your own script like I did in H Super Tools. Anyway, so this is how you can upload and install a script on your server. Very simple. Now the next step is to monetize, is to add our advertisements on the website so we can make money from this website. Okay, so let's continue now and see how we can apply to Google AdSense to get ads and publish on our site. Before we apply to Google AdSense, we need to create some pages on our website to make the approval operation somehow easier and to get accepted by Google AdSense. We need to create what we call the privacy policy page and the contact us page and the terms and conditions page. If you go to the website, you will see we have already a contact us page built in the script. And by the way, almost all the scripts have this feature, the contact us page. So we need only to create the privacy policy and the terms page. What we are going to do here simply is go back to dashboard and go to pages and click on manage pages, and you will see that we have the contact us, the home page and the about us page. I will simply create a new page. Click on create a page. I will say here privacy policy page, the page URL privacy policy, anything. You can add a description, post date, page name. Let's say privacy here, policy, whatever. And then you need to enter the privacy policy. Of course, we're not going to contact a lawyer and create in-depth policy. No, just go here to Google and search for privacy policy generator. That's simple, or simply free generator. Okay, open this and click on this one. I think this is free. This one also generate free. This one is free also. So simply you need to enter your company name. I will say SEO tool set, like this tool. We have this one also. Maybe this is not free. Okay, this one. Anyway, let's use this one. Privacy policy generator.info. I will enter the company name like this without .com, then the website name or URL, anything like this. Click on next. Do you use cookies on your website? Say yes. Do you show advertising Google AdSense? Say yes. Do you show advertising from third parties? Say yes. Next, because we are going to use maybe affiliate, as we will see later in the course. Country, I will say my country, my email address, and click on create my privacy policy. Super simple. Now we have this one, copy the HTML version, copy text to clipboard, go here to my admin page. I will go to the source and paste it and click on save, preview. Here we are, this is the privacy policy page inside our website. It's here, and let's create a new one for the terms and condition. Let's say terms, anything. And again, I will search for terms and conditions, free generator. Let's say this one or this one. Let's say, very nice, the same concept here. I will forward the video. Let's get this domain, paste here, paste this one. Again, super simple. Click on next. Country, your email, super simple. Generate. Let's wait a little bit. Copy. Go here to my page, to the source, and paste it. Click on save. Very nice. Now we have the privacy policy and the terms page and the contact us page. Everything is perfect. So if you are using your own scripts, you can create this manually. If you are using other scripts, just find a way how to create these pages. Every script has its own admin dashboard or its own method to create these pages. As I tell you always, if you have problems, if you have questions, if you need any help, just go heducate.com/forums and submit your questions. I will be almost every other day to answer your questions. Okay, now we have these pages. We can go to Google Adsense and apply for our website to publish ads. Okay, so let's apply to Google Adsense. I will go to Adsense, to the home. By the way, just one note, Google Adsense doesn't allow you to create multiple accounts. Since I have an account I'm running already for my YouTube channel, for my different websites, you can see from the last month, $934. This is my earnings. Anyway, you will go here to sites. If you have an account, very nice. You don't have one, just follow up, sign up to Google AdSense and click on Add Site. Now you need to enter the URL of the site. I will say here seotoolset.com, paste it here, click on Next. Now it will tell you to paste this code in your website, okay? So I will copy this code and go to WinSCP to my script folders and go here to theme, then to my theme. What is my theme? Let's go here, check my theme interface, manage themes. The default theme is activated, so I will go here. Again, I will go to default and then go to header.php, click on edit, and then I will paste the code before the closing header section here and save. That's simple. So this is the Google AdSense code you need to paste in the header of your website. Again, I will tell you, this is for this script. If you are using something else, it's somehow similar, but if you need help, you just contact the website owner or submit your questions on the forum. I will try my best to help you. So now we have the AdSense code installed. Click on submit, and you just need now to wait for approval. Sometimes take like 1 day, maybe a couple of hours, sometimes take 2 weeks. It depends on the website. Now just wait and get approval for your new website to publish your ads. Okay, of course, I will not wait now for 2 weeks to publish the ads. I will show you now how exactly you can publish ads and go and continue our course. Anyway, let's go back to my dashboard and you will see here something called advertisements. And here you can publish the AdSense codes or custom advertisements. How to publish AdSense codes? Simply after you get approval, you go here to ads and then you create an ad. Click by ad unit, click display ads, and let's name it temp ad. I will say square, responsive, and click on create. That's simple. You get this code, copy it, and you paste here. You can paste whatever you want here and there, whatever you want, you can paste. That's simple, and save. Then you will see the ads on your website. That's the idea. you publish the script, you apply to AdSense, you publish the ads, and you just enjoy your earnings. But how to enjoy your earnings? You need to get the traffic to your website. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard. We have now our script. If you go here, by the way, you can change the logos, you can change everything in the back end. But now it's out of the scope of this course. So we need to publish the ads, and we need mainly now to focus on getting traffic. This is the main question, how to get traffic. Let's go back to my Google AdSense dashboard to show you the earnings and how much you need to reach like $900 or $1,000 per month. You can see this month I made $900. By the way, this $7,000 is not from this one website, to be honest with you. From my website, from H Super Tools, I'm making $934. So if you go here to my analytics, to hanalytics.com, to my dashboard. By the way, H-Analytics is also my own service. To H Super Tools, if you see like last 7 days, I'm getting per day like 7,000, 8,000 page views. So to reach $900 or $1,000, you need at least like 5,000 to 10,000 views per day. Okay, this is the average. There's nothing here exact numbers, it's the average numbers, hsupertools.com. You can see in my website, to show you a real example, if you go here to like this YouTube keyword tool, you will see here at the right, I have this Google AdSense ad and this Google AdSense ads. So you can see I have only 2 advertisements. We have here really a debate or an important question. Is adding more ads to your website makes you earn more money or no? What I'm doing this month is I added only 2 ads on my website. If you are using my website before, you know, I had a lot of ads on it, like ad in this place, here, I have a lot of ads. Okay, this month I removed them all and I published only 2 ads to see if it's like a case study, to see if the earnings will decrease or it's the same or more or whatever. Okay, so maybe later on I will create a full video about this and I will tell you the results of this case study. It's better to add more ads or fewer ads, how to add them, where to add them to earn more, and so on. So anyway, in my case, I have these 2 ads. If you go here to my AdSense dashboard to reports, and if you go, let's say, to the last 30 days, you will see, last 30 days, you will see that I am making between, let's say, between $15 up to $55 or maybe more, we have more, $62. So per day, I am ranging between $15 up to $60 per day on my website, on H Super Tools. So as an average, it's like $25 to $30, which means like $800, if you go back to my dashboard, which means like $800 to $900 or maybe somehow more, $1,000 per month. So to sum up the conclusion, if you want to reach these numbers per month, $800, $900, $1,000, you need at least to get 5,000, 6,000, up to 10,000 views per day on your website. Sometimes you need less, but I'm talking about the average to be maybe on the safe side and always get this number per month on Google AdSense. Okay, you can see yesterday it's only $8, so it depends. It's not always fixed. You need always to work more to get more and more traffic into your website. Okay, so here is my website. I showed you my earnings. I think now everything is somehow simple and clear for you. We set up the application, we connected to AdSense, I showed you my earnings, I showed you almost everything. Now we still have maybe a couple of points like how to earn more money other than Google AdSense from the same website, from this website, other than Google AdSense, and how to get traffic to the website. Okay, so stay tuned and follow up with me. Let's start with the first point, which is how we can make more money from this website other than simply Google AdSense. We publish ads and we can make more money through different method, which is simply affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting products and earning commissions on every sale. What we can do also is to post ads for affiliate products. Let's do this as an example. I will go to cj.com, one of the top affiliate marketing marketplaces. And also, by the way, if you go here to my YouTube channel, if you are new here, if you missed my free course about affiliate marketing, go to videos. You will see this full free course, how to make like $700 per month with affiliate marketing, starting for free with no website, with no money, with nothing, starting from scratch for beginners. It's really a fantastic course. You can see 77,000 views in 2 weeks, 97%, which shows the like percentage. It's really a very interesting course. Go and check it. Anyway, if you go to CJ, I will log into my account, to my affiliate account. And you can see here is my dashboard. There's my balance. And yesterday only I made like $130. So it's really an interesting topic, how to make money with affiliate marketing. It's totally passive income. It's awesome. Go and watch my courses. I have also a lot of case studies. If you go here to playlists, I have here some case studies. If you go here, affiliate marketing case studies, I showed exactly what I did to make and build online business with affiliate marketing. If you go like this week, $300, it's awesome. Anyway, I will go here to advertisers to show you how you can publish an ad, an affiliate ad on your website also to make more money other than Google AdSense. Just as a small example. Let's say I am here, I will whatever, like enter server, this one, I click on get links, whatever affiliate product you have, click on get links, and now CJ will give you a list of banners, links, promotions. You can see a lot of banners here. You can just like copy this one as an example, get this code, click on get code, copy this and paste in your dashboard here in the advertisement section. You can paste here. Okay, now let's say you are not enrolled in CJ, you have maybe another affiliate program or whatever, they don't have direct banners or so on. You can simply go to a website called bannersnack.com. It allows you to create HTML5 ads. You can start for free if you want. Anyway, bannersnack.com, I use it to create all my HTML5 ads, by the way. I will log in just to show you a small example on how things work. Let's say here the advertisement is 250 by 300, okay, which is this one, 250 by 300. I will create a new design, make a design. I will say here custom size. I will say 250 and 300 height. Click on the create. Super simple. So here is the ad. Let's say this is the color, go to elements, and you can start now designing an ad if you want, whatever, I don't know. Let's add a shape or an image, a PNG, whatever. You create the ad like this, and you go here to the download section, go to embed code, and click on enable embedding. And then you can simply copy this code from Bannersnack and publish on your website. Okay, let's copy this embed code, paste here just to show you this small example. Sorry, not here. It's here. Click on save. Very nice. Now if you go and refresh, you will see this ad from Bannersnack. So if you are using CJ, Impact, or whatever affiliate products that already provides the banners or whatever, you can just copy and paste. If not, you can create one with Bannersnack and publish on your website. It's up to you. So this is how we can create the script, connect to Google AdSense, publish ads, publish affiliate ads, and make money like this and with affiliate marketing from the script without writing any content. You just publish the script and you need to get get traffic to this script. So the big question now is how to get traffic to our website, how to get free traffic to our website. So now the main question, the main problem of everyone working online is how to get traffic. If you go to my website, HSuperTools as an example, and click on the SimilarWeb extension, you see I'm getting 119,000 views per month. If you go to my website, to my main website, heducate.com, you will see 141,000 views. So I'm getting to my websites like 250,000 views per month, which is somehow a good number, by the way. I'm not showing you this to brag and tell you, hey, I have traffic, I have an online business. No, I'm showing you this because it's somehow a proof that will motivate you to apply what I explained to you in my videos. Because you know what makes my channel unique, what I publish is something I tested, is something I do in my business. I am sharing it with you. A lot of other channels, like maybe 80% of channels or maybe 90% of channels which talks about making money online and online business, they explain things, maybe it's correct, but they didn't test it. And this is a main problem today online. We have a lot of tutorials, a lot of videos, a lot of courses, but the instructors didn't test the methods. So it's like theories. While here in my channel, I promised you not to share anything that I don't test before. So you see, here I am sharing with you my own website, my own earnings, what I do exactly, my own analytics, everything, my tools, everything. So I'm not here to tell you about theories. I'm here to share with you my own business, my own case studies, my own tests and my own experience. And this is how things different here on my channel. Anyway, so the course now is more than 1 hour. I don't want to make it longer than that. So simply go to my YouTube channel here, to my playlists. You'll find the Get Traffic to Your Website playlist. I explained in detail in more than 5 videos, 6 videos I think, how to get traffic, free traffic using a lot of methods. Please go and watch this playlist. This playlist will change the way you look into your website. You will see after you follow the tips inside this playlist, you will start noticing everyday new visitors from the first day. Believe me, from the first day. Please go watch this playlist on my YouTube channel. You will see the difference from the first day. So that's it. This is my new website. This is how to build a business to make money online from Google and affiliate marketing without writing any piece of content. Just publish this script, choose a script from Code Canyon that you feel you like, publish it, monetize with ads, with affiliate links, get traffic, and here we are, you have your own online business. I know maybe 90% of you, as I always say, will not apply anything, will not do anything, will just complain, I'm not working, I don't have money, whatever. You need to try, you need to test. If you don't have money to invest in this business, go to my YouTube channel. I showed you methods that requires $0. If you go to my videos here, go now, you can check this course. You can check a lot of videos that you can just make money from your mobile phone without any investment. Anyone can do it from any country. Just go and watch and learn and start and try, and you will see that if you try, you may fail the first time, the second time, the third time, but then you will succeed. You just need to try again and again, and you will succeed. If you have any questions, heducate.com/forums. I will be there to help you. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. See you later.